Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the background from images in Canva. So let's get right into it. For example, first let me enter an image, such as this image of a dog right here. As you can see, it has a sort of greenish, dark green background, and it has a dog with a beanie in the foreground. Now let me just make this image over the entire page, just to make it more apparent. And well, this will work, I guess. And as you can see, this has a dark green background, and if I wanted to remove the background, I could very easily do it. For this, we're going to be using an effect. Firstly, once you insert the picture, and if nothing is selected, you need to click on the picture to actually select it. Then go into the top left and click Edit Picture. This is not in English, but you'll need to trust me on this. This just says Edit Picture, and then you'll get this menu to the left. Now, what you want to do is go into Effects, and you'll see Magic Studio as one of the segments. This is for Canva Pro, so you do need Canva Pro if you want to remove the background. However, you can also edit it manually. If you want to, for example, paint it white, you can use some drawing tools. For example, if I pick this drawing, pick the marker, choose the color to white, and draw over this. As you can see, you can also sort of remove the background like that, but I won't be doing that. But yeah, if I click on the image, go into edit and go into remove background, which is sort of beach ball, you just click on it, and as you can see, now it is just the picture of the dog without the dark green background, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.